Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GAXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, and ultimately a very nice bounce. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that, the price, I mean, this was just craziness here. But let's just even take it from this point right here and talk about when the price was at those lows. From even right there to where it ultimately closed, that right there was a very impressive bounce. But that does lead to the valid question of, all right, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on a single area, and that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? 0.023. Now, why is 0.023 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level, behave in that manner, and then work its way downwards, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you'd have the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But I mean, to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 0.023. As far as areas of resistance, very straightforward right now. It is all about that pink line, which on my chart denotes the very well-known and famous 200 period moving average. And here's why it's famous. You can see this pink line is giving the price all kinds of problems. So keep a close eye on that moving forward. But the key dynamic is good, solid bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.